Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
Today, June 6, 2023, the cryptocurrency market has seen a surge in prices. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to Tether, USDT, has increased by 5.88%, from 25,631.16 to 27,138.82. Similarly, the price of Ethereum, ETH, to Tether, USDT, has increased by 4.71%, from 1804.99 to 1890.06. Lastly, the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to Tether, USDT, has increased by 3.52%, from 275.5 to 285.2. This surge in prices is a positive sign for the cryptocurrency market, and investors are encouraged to take advantage of this opportunity.
Latest news.
Bankers shopping FTX's hundreds of millions of dollars stake in AI startup, Repor. Perella Weinberg, the investment bank handling the bankruptcy of crypto exchange FTX, is looking to sell shares in artificial intelligence, AI, startup Anthropic potentially worth hundreds of millions of dollars. FTX may have owned as much as $500 million worth of stock in Anthropic, which has been valued at $4.6 billion. The money from the sale of the stock will go to former customers of FTX. However, FTX's bankers are unsure whether to sell the entire holding or hold some back on the expectation that AI valuations will continue to rise. In a press release, Perella Weinberg announced that they are looking to sell stock in AI startup Anthropic potentially worth hundreds of millions of dollars, with the money going to former customers of FTX. Coinbase violated state securities laws with staking program, Alabama Regulator, Alleges. Coinbase has been issued a show cause order by the Alabama Securities Commission, ASC, alleging that it is violating state securities laws with its staking rewards program. The ASC has given Coinbase 28 days to explain why it should not be directed to cease and desist from selling unregistered securities in Alabama. This order follows similar action taken against Binance by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission earlier in the day. The ASC is committed to protecting Alabama consumers and investors, and has issued similar orders to other crypto asset products in the past. Altcoins dip following second SEC lawsuit against crypto exchange. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a lawsuit against crypto exchange Coinbase, alleging violation of federal securities law. In response, Coinbase shares have tanked 20% in pre-market trading, and the tokens listed in the lawsuit have also taken a hit. The SEC has accused Coinbase of operating as an unregistered broker, exchange and clearing agency simultaneously. In a statement, the SEC warned Coinbase earlier this year that it might sue the exchange, sending a Wells notice which Coinbase responded to in April. EU crypto security debate turns new MiCA law on its head. The European Parliament recently published a controversial study that appears to contradict the rationale behind landmark new EU crypto laws. The study argues that crypto should be treated by default under a more heavy-handed regime designed for traditional stocks and bonds, and expresses concerns that the EU's markets in crypto assets regulation, MiCA, has so many loopholes that it could create a regulatory vacuum. This debate over crypto's legal status is mirrored in the US, with the SEC's recent lawsuit against Binance claiming that some tokens fall under SEC jurisdiction. The study has no formal status within EU policymaking and would require lawmakers to reverse new legislation, but there are still plenty of issues that MiCA raises. The need for coordination and consistency in implementing MiCA across the EU's 27 national jurisdictions is of particular concern. SEC sues Coinbase on unregistered securities exchange allegations. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has filed a lawsuit against Coinbase, a leading U.S. crypto exchange, for allegedly violating federal securities law. Coinbase is accused of operating as an unregistered broker, exchange, and clearing agency, and for not adhering to the disclosure regime established by Congress. SEC Chair Gary Gensler stated that Coinbase alleged failures deprive investors of critical protections. The SEC has identified cryptos such as Solana, Cardano, Polygon, and more as securities and is seeking to permanently enjoin Coinbase from continued violations, as well as forced disgorgement and civil penalties. The SEC has filed a lawsuit against U.S. crypto exchange Coinbase, accusing the company of violating federal securities law. The suit alleges that Coinbase failed to adhere to the disclosure regime established by Congress, depriving investors of critical protections. The SEC is seeking to permanently enjoin Coinbase from continued violations, as well as forced disgorgement and civil penalties. SEC sues Coinbase in New York federal court for offering unregistered security. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a lawsuit against Coinbase, a New York-based crypto exchange, for allegedly offering unregistered securities. The lawsuit alleges that Coinbase has been operating as an unregistered security broker since 2019 and has failed to provide necessary disclosure and safeguards to customers. The SEC's lawsuit comes just one day after the regulator sued Binance for similar violations. Coinbase is now facing a legal battle with the SEC over its staking program, which the company claims does not qualify as a security. Turbos Finance introduces smart routing for stablecoins on Sway. Turbos Finance, a decentralized exchange built on the newly live Sway blockchain, is now offering smart routing for stablecoin swaps. This will allow customers to seamlessly trade any variant of bridged USDC assets against native Sway assets. This advancement unlocks the untapped potential of all USDC variants on Sway, regardless of their origin networks. Turbos is the second largest DX built on Sway, with a $10 billion valuation and more than 2 BY projects in its directory. Binance Bitcoin balances remain stable amid recent allegations. Recent data from Glassnode shows that, despite outflows, the balance of Bitcoin held on Binance exchange addresses has remained stable. This robust balance currently stands at 4K BTC, only 0.5K BTC below its all-time high of 304.1K BTC. This indicates that Binance is continuing to be a trusted and secure platform for Bitcoin holders. Coinbase Ventures expands portfolio with 4 crypto projects, raises over $1,000,000. Coinbase Ventures, the investment arm of American crypto giant Coinbase, added 4 new crypto projects to its investment portfolio last month. The venture capital firm participated in funding rounds that raised a total of $30.7 million in May 2023. Coinbase Ventures has invested in over 400 crypto projects, including zk-Link, Dolomite, Hourglass, and Pure. This investment is part of Coinbase's mission to make crypto more accessible to the world. Binance Market Update 2023年6月6日 Today, the global cryptocurrency market cap stands at $1.09T, a decrease of 3.85% in the last day. Bitcoin, BTC, is trading at $25,735, down -3.93%. Among the major cryptocurrencies, XNO, MTL, and Kava have outperformed the market, up by 16%, 10%, and 9%, respectively. Recent crypto news includes a dip in the crypto sentiment index to March fear levels, Cathie Wood's forecast of crypto becoming an election year issue, Bitcoin developers targeting the 4.25 million meme coin market, and 16% of Americans supporting a central bank digital currency, according to the Cato Institute poll.
Thank you for watching today.
I wish you all the best in your cryptocurrency investments and may you make a lot of money.